So now the edge is on in the bottom, and the only thing that we need now is to put in the sleeves. Then we have a tunic. So, mark of side seam, and this one should be turned around. Here we go. And here I want the seam allowance on the body to be the biggest, because I want the sleeve to look like it's going over. If you do it the other way around, it looks like you insert a comma out of the ball. I want it to have a little tip over here. It looks better. So the longer seam allowance are on the body. Same seam. Fill seam. Running stitch first or cast after that. And then we are actually done with the tunic. So, what shall I do next? If you have a suggestion, just write it in the comments. Can you hear the thunder?